guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Natasha. Go ahead and subscribe. So as you can see, your girl got a new do, and it is so cute. I haven't been ginger in a while. I feel like it's been about a year, which is a long time for me. I like to rotate the colors, okay, keep it fresh. But I am living. I love it. I love how it looks with my makeup. Everything just looks so good. So shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the information for this wig down below. Oh my god, it eats. So I did do this video a little different. I did my hair in my bathroom because like I really wanted to lay it and it was gonna get a little messy, and it's already messy in here, so I just went to the bathroom. Okay, it made another mess. Makes sense, right? Right. But yeah, so I'm in my bathroom today, but it still eats, you know, you get the picture. Like, oh my god. So again, make sure you guys are checking out the description box for any information. It will all be listed down below, and keep watching. Alright guys, jumping straight into this video. My hair looks a hot mess and I need to get it together. I always prep my hair underneath my wigs. I don't always show it, but I like to add some kind of like detangler or like keratin leave-in treatment, something to help me comb through my hair. And then I slick it back with some gel, put it in a low ponytail, and then I put my wig cap on, and that's how I prep my wigs. That's how I prep my hair under my wig, sorry. So now I'm putting on this wig. This is from Alipearl. All the information for this wig will be listed down below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. But this wig is like a dark copper gingery type of vibe. So pretty. I felt like it had some dimension. It wasn't like that orangey color, and I just felt like it matched my complexion very well. And I was just so here for like the hairline looks good and everything. I did wash the wig, condition it, and I did a little bit of plucking off camera, but nothing crazy. The wig was like perfect as is. I do think, and you guys are going to see later, I added a little bit too much product to the frontal because baby, it was giving greasy, but that's my fault because I was being extra. I use a wax stick and I never use a wax stick. But anyways, for this install, I decided to use the Eben spray, and that's all. I was going to do like the gel and all that, and just the Eben spray, baby. I don't have the time because you guys know my wigs come off by the end of the night. So I'm just doing that, doing the elastic band, and then I move on to styling. And I definitely wanted a side part today. I wanted a side part with some va-va boom, some curls, something cute and flirty. A middle part is just so serious to me. Like when I have a side part, I feel like really girly and really cute. So I tried to do it a little bit more on the curve side, and then I added some layers. This is the length of it. I just have to step back and let you guys see, but I decided to do some layers. So there I go with that damn wax stick. Oh my gosh. But I am gonna add some layers in a second, just some light layers. I could have like went in, but I didn't really want to like chop the hair up too much because sometimes I just do too much. So I just did some real light and some real cute. Lately, I've been using my razor to cut my lace because it just looks a little bit better, because I feel like I low-key lost my mojo when it comes to the wigs. You know, I'm not like fully committed like I used to be, so I'm trying to get that Scalpiana look again, and we're working on it. So this is how it looks after you cut the lace. Go ahead and add some foundation, some powder, whatever you need, and then spray it again and add the band to melt one more time. So there's a few steps when you use spray versus glue, but it's just better for me. I like to take my wigs off at night, so this is what I do. So since I already layered the hair, I'm going to go ahead and start curling it. I like to use a shine spray. Again, here I go using more product. I was just doing too much. And then I'm going to brush through it. I'm going to curl it, use some hairspray, and boom. Very simple. You guys have seen me curl my hair tons of times. I decided to use my bigger curling iron because I wanted like big loose curls. I don't want no Shirley Temple curls. I didn't want no little itty bitty curls. So I just did those all the way from my face, and because it is layered and choppy, they're not going to like curl into each other. It's just going to fall nicely and just have a lot of body. Once the hair is styled, I'll go ahead and add any finishing touches, whether that's any powder to the lace or like any more cutting, any more melting. And then I kind of just perfect it before I go ahead and do my makeup. I am a hair before makeup type of girl, by the way. So yeah. So at this point, I went ahead and decided to add some rollers because I wanted more volume at the top. Like, that was just the vibe. And like Velcro rollers have definitely been my thing. Like, it's not like, I haven't perfected it where it's like Dolly Parton volume, but I'm gonna get there. But it does the job. I definitely do see a difference on how my hair drops and holds and all that. But anyways, so I just added some Velcro rollers. I typically do 3 or 4 in the front depending on how my hair is styled, and then I went ahead and did my makeup, and yeah. My makeup actually ate, by the way. I did a full get ready with me on TikTok, so go ahead and check that out if you want to see, you know, the makeup and all the fun and all that jazz. But anyways, I'm taking out the hair, and as you can see, it just adds more volume. It doesn't give you really a curl. It literally adds volume to like the root of the hair, and I live. Even though I end up combing it, it just does something. Maybe it's a mind thing, maybe I'm delusional, but I like it. So again, I do some more finishing touches, and then I get dressed, and then that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out the description box for this wig. Shout out to Alipearl once again for sponsoring today's video and giving me a bomb wig. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.